Hey there! Ever found yourself puzzled by all those buttons on your graphing calculator? You're not alone. Many students feel overwhelmed when they first encounter this powerful tool. Well, stick around because today I'm going to show you how to use it like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating your graphing calculator with confidence. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Understanding the layout and functions of your calculator is crucial. When you turn on your graphing calculator, you're greeted with the home screen. This is where all the magic begins. This is your control center. From here, you can access everything you need. From here, you can access various functions like graphing, calculations, and apps. Each button has a specific purpose, and knowing them will save you a lot of time. Now let's dive into graphing. Press the y=sign button. This is your gateway to visualizing equations. This is where you'll enter the equations you want to graph. It's like setting the stage for your mathematical performance. For example, if you want to graph y=2x+3, just type it in here. Simple, right? Then hit the graph button and voila! Your graph appears on the screen. Amazing, right? But wait, there's more. Your graph appears on the screen. Amazing, right? But wait, there's more. You can customize how your graph looks. Use the window button to adjust the graphing window. This feature is incredibly useful for zooming in on specific parts of your graph. This allows you to zoom in or out and set the range for your x and y values. It's like having a magnifying glass for your graph. It's super handy when you need to see more details or fit everything nicely on the screen. You can adjust the window settings to get the perfect view. Now, let's talk about the trace function. This is one of the most powerful features of your graphing calculator. Once your graph is on the screen, press trace. This lets you move along the graph and see the coordinates of specific points. Great for finding intercepts or analyzing the curve. Next up, solving equations. Great for finding intercepts or analyzing the curve. Next up, solving equations. This is where your calculator really shines. Hit the second button and then calc. This opens up a menu of options for solving equations. Here you can find zeros, minimums, maximums, and intersections. These functions are essential for deeper mathematical analysis. Simply select the option you need, follow the prompts, and your calculator does the rest. It's like having a math tutor in your pocket. Don't forget about the table function. This feature is often overlooked but incredibly useful. Press second and graph to bring up a table of values for your equation. This gives you a numerical perspective on your graph. This is perfect for checking your work or spotting trends in data. It's a great way to verify your results. Let's not overlook the apps. These can add a whole new dimension to your calculator's capabilities. Graphing calculators come loaded with useful applications. These apps can help you with everything from finance to science. To access them, press Apps on the home screen. Explore and see what's available. From finance tools to probability simulations, there's a lot to explore here. These apps can make complex calculations much simpler. And here's a pro tip: customize your calculator. Personalizing your settings can make a big difference. Go to Mode to change settings like angle units, display format, and more. Tailor it to fit your needs and make your calculations smoother. This can save you a lot of time in the long run. So, there you have it. With these tips, you're ready to conquer any math problem that comes your way. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use your calculator, the more comfortable you'll become. So grab your graphing calculator and start exploring. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. The world of math is vast and exciting, and your graphing calculator